Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook elk steak. First, ensure your elk steak is fully thawed, ideally overnight in the refrigerator. Patting it completely dry with paper towels is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs like rosemary or thyme that you enjoy. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get that perfect sear. Place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and let it get very hot, almost smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your seasoned elk steak into the hot pan. Sear each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a deep, rich brown crust. This step locks in the juices and develops incredible flavor. After searing, transfer your steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, remove the steak from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your magnificent elk steak. Always slice against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Cut into thin, even pieces about 1/4 inch thick. Arrange the slices on a plate and serve immediately with your preferred accompaniments, perhaps roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Enjoy the lean, rich, and distinctive flavor of your perfectly prepared elk steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.